I'll show you how to create and send an invoice using Chase Bank. First, sign into your Chase account. Once you're logged in, go to Collect and Deposit. On the right side, you'll see a Create Invoices button. Click it. You'll be taken to a setup page. Click Activate, then Update Settings. Choose the address you want to display to customers. Select the option you prefer and click Next. Next, Chase will ask you to select at least one contact method, your email and/or phone number. Choose the ones you want, click Review, then Save. Once that's done, you'll see a message confirming that your business information has been saved. Now click Create Invoice, fill in all the required fields, enter the customer's name, then set your invoice number. For example, you can start at 100 and so on, or choose any number you prefer. Click Save, scroll down to add more details, click Add Customer Info to enter additional information, continue scrolling until you reach the next section. Then click Add an item to list the products or services you're billing for. Enter the item name, price, and quantity, make sure the toggle is turned on, click Save and Close, or add another item if you need to add more. You can also click Add a tax rate to include a tax percentage and label it. Click Save and Close when you're done. Scroll down, check the required boxes, and click Preview Invoice. You'll now see the invoice preview. You can choose to save draft or create invoice. After creating it, you'll be able to download the invoice or copy the link. Finally, you'll be taken to a confirmation page where you can again copy the invoice or download it as a PDF. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.